Double Up Credit Card App. The pros, the cons. If you're considering the Double Up credit card, the app promises easy management of rewards and spending, but how effective is it really? One of the biggest pros is rewards tracking. Most people get this wrong by assuming credit card apps just show balances. With Double Up, you can track your points, see upcoming reward opportunities, and even redeem your points for gift cards or statement credits directly through the app. Another advantage is security and convenience. You can view transactions in real time, set spending alerts, and even lock or unlock your card instantly if it's misplaced. It also provides tools to monitor and manage multiple accounts in one place. However, there are cons. Some users report minor glitches in points calculations or delays in reflecting recent purchases. Additionally, the app's interface may feel less intuitive compared to other rewards-focused platforms. In conclusion, the Double Up app is a practical tool for managing your credit card and rewards. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines points tracking and account monitoring, it's not a complete replacement for desktop management for detailed financial planning. For cardholders who want to stay on top of rewards and secure their accounts, this app delivers real value, but remember, some features still require logging in via a browser for full access.